With over 1 billion users and 1 billion plus messages sent every month, Facebook Messenger is #1 social platform with maximum number of active users and with maximum engagement. Facebook Messenger lets you reach the messenger inbox of your prospect with almost 100% open rate. Come on, who won't check the Facebook Messenger notification on his phone or desktop and read the new message received? In fact, people are so used to the messenger notification sound that they are mentally forced to open and read it as soon as a message is received. Now, Facebook wants businesses to use Messenger to reach their prospects where they are most engaged and active. But one-to-one interaction with all of the business prospects will be time-consuming and illogical. With the recent Facebook Messenger API updates, you can broadcast messages to hundreds of thousands of prospects right inside their Messenger inbox. Unlike email marketing, wherein you get 5 to 10% open rate and high bounce rate, you will get 100% delivery rate and open rate to messages sent through Facebook Messenger. Imagine having the power to reach hundreds and thousands of people in their Facebook Messenger with just one click. Just like email marketing, you can send them updates, discounts, coupons, new products information, almost everything to keep them engaged and active. Only difference is that this is better than email marketing and costly Facebook ads affair.